Hello everyone, this is Linda. I'm here. So I just wanted to stop in just to share with you all some things that I do to help me keep energy. Because listen, I know there's a lot of people here in our community that is in their 70s or in their 80s. Yeah. And they still do the things that they love to do, which is amazing and it's a blessing. But yeah, I'm 66 years old and yeah, it's still, I still need help, y'all. I need help. Now, I don't know about anybody else because I'm just talking about me here. So, what I find is I eat really well. I try to take care of my body very well. I'm not going to say I try to take care of my body very well. I do take care of my body very well. From the inside out, right? I make sure my body is clean. Clean. That's one thing I do. Having a clean body, y'all, is important to have a clean body. I'm not saying walk around being, never get dirty, because I get real dirty every day. But washing off the day is totally, listen, I cannot stress to you how important it is to clean your body. Clean your body. That's just one of the things that you can do to help your body stay strong. Your skin, which is the largest organ on our body, is our skin. When you look in the mirror in the morning, yeah, that's the first thing you see is your skin. You see your skin. So clean your body is most important, right? And I need help because of I do have some issues, like some arthritis, I have that. But I keep many of those things in check by what I eat or what I don't eat, right? But one of the things that I do is I grow these herbs. I don't grow these herbs just to make a video and share with you all. Listen, I got turmeric. It's beautiful turmeric. Look how beautiful she is. She's so tall. Yeah. But I use my turmeric. I use garlic. I use ginger. Now, I'm not a beekeeper, but I use honey. Honey, y'all. Today, I'm going to share with you all a drink. It's a shot that I drink every day. Now, this is what I do sometimes. I usually drink this seasonally. I make some in the beginning of the fall. I drink it throughout the fall for whatever that is out there that's trying to get us. From the everyday common cold to respiratory problems to COVID. I try to ward off all of this stuff. So I make this drink at the beginning of fall. I drink it throughout the fall. Now, I do back up in the spring because, y'all, I got my thing. I don't need it as much. But in the beginning of fall, this is when my body needs this. So today I'm going to share with you all this drink that I use to help me with energy, and it keeps my body healthy. Now, let me say, I am not a doctor. I'm not a physician. No, I don't I don't write prescriptions. No, I'm just sharing with you what works for me. After 5 days of you drinking this every day, you will feel a difference. You will feel a difference. This is what I do. So, I'm not asking you to try it. I'm just sharing with you all what I do. Yeah. So, let's get on with the video. Yeah. So now y'all got me telling all my secrets. You got me telling all my secrets. So this is the only ginger I had growing in my garden. So that's enough for me, right? So I brought her inside and cleaned her up and chopped her up, baby. So here we go. So this is something that I make for me, for inflammation, for energy, just to keep me feeling great. And family, I'm telling you, this works. So this is some turmeric that I grew last season. It was in my freezer, so I took some out, and this turmeric is beautiful. It had my entire kitchen smelling like turmeric. Here is my ginger, and I have 4 cloves of garlic. Yeah. Also, I have 2 lemons, but I'm only going to use 1 today. And of course, this is from my tree. It looked like a lime, y'all, but it's a lemon. It's a lemon. So now I'm just going to squeeze the juice of this entire lemon. Now, I could have used both of them, but I didn't. So I used all of this lemon. Now, family, you know, we see a lot of things on the internet giving you recipes, you know, that their grandmama gave them. And my grandmama did not give me this recipe, no. So this is something, I seen this in a grocery store. I took you all with me one time when you seen a lot of organic shots of boosters, immunity boosters, and boosters for inflammatory, right? But this is the one that I seen maybe about 3 years ago. Now here I'm using water, but some people use mineral waters, maybe coconut water or some other kind of water, but I just use plain old water. And I put it in my Ninja, and I just zap her up, y'all. This has me feeling great every day. I take a shot of this every day. So now we're gonna put it in a little saucepan, and I'm just going to let it seep for about 15 minutes. Right? It don't need to boil. I just want it to get warm, and I want all the ingredients to incorporate into each other. Just love on each other. Now, when you are using turmeric for anything you are using turmeric with, there's one thing you must always use to activate your turmeric. If you don't use this ingredient, your turmeric will be just sitting there because she is not activated at all, right? But anyway, this mixture is just coming up to, I just want it to heat up. Just heat up, family. Yeah. But anyway, this activator of turmeric is just black pepper. Now, you may see some people using turmeric in different things, but if you do not add black pepper turmeric will be just sitting there. Pepper, black pepper is the activator to turmeric, right? So all I want to do is just let it heat up, and I want all of the garlic, the ginger, the honey and lemons. I want all of these flavors to just incorporate into each other, right? So now I'm gonna strain it. Yeah, I'm gonna strain it, and all I want is all this beautiful juice. That's what I want. And of course, I'm gonna use this turmeric, the paste. I'm gonna use it for some kind of salve, but that's another video. So now I'm just bottling putting it all in this bottle, and this is my energy. You know, this is the thing that keeps me vibrant, right? This is it. And this is my shot. Yeah, baby. Once a day. And family, within about a week of you doing this, you will begin to feel the benefits of this wonderful, wonderful drink. Many people have been drinking this for years, years and years. Our bodies go through stress. Stress causes inflammation, and this is it fixes. This is what I harvest today. Of course, y'all know I harvest my butterfly peas. That's my shot. Yeah, that's my shot. Turmeric that I took out of my freezer, and lemons. And of course, I harvest 2 more of my moringa pods. I'll share them in a minute. There they are back there. Yeah, but I'm not a doctor. What I'm saying, this is going to boost your energy. This is going to have you full of energy. And everything in there is from my garden. You can grow it all.